Ah! What an intriguing world you live in. Technology advancing at an incredible pace, and nations more interconnected than ever before. It's Adam Smith here, ready to share with you my modern understanding of macroeconomics. Allow me to outline these principles in a way that resonates with your contemporary society. Number 1. Division of labor. Think about your smartphones. One person couldn't possibly design, manufacture, and assemble all its intricate parts. But, when you divide these tasks, assign each to a specialist, efficiency and productivity soar. This concept hasn't changed since the days of my own factory. Number 2. Invisible hand. Just like in an online marketplace, people are seeking to maximize their own gain. It's as if there's a guiding force, an invisible hand, that turns this self-interest into a benefit for the whole society. Number 3. The role of money. In your world, money has taken new forms like digital currencies and credit cards. But the role of money remains unchanged. It is a universal medium of exchange, a social contract, making economic transactions easier, smoother, and faster than ever. Number 4. Accumulation of wealth. Wealth isn't just the stockpile of physical cash a nation owns. It's the cumulative output of goods and services it can produce. This wealth grows through smart investments, like putting capital into cutting-edge technology like AI and productive sectors. Number 5. Natural price and market price. Think about buying a cup of coffee. There's a natural price, the cost of production plus a reasonable profit. Then there's that market price that you pay, fluctuating with the supply and the demand of the coffee. Over time, these prices tend to converge. Number 6. Economic growth. Much like in my time, economic growth is still crucial. Factors like division of labor, capital accumulation, and technological innovation remain the drivers of a thriving economy. Number 7. Free trade. Your world is more globally connected than ever before, and free trade is its lifeblood. By letting each country focus on its strengths, free trade allows goods and services to move where they're needed, making everyone better off in the long run. Number 8. Limited government intervention. Government should, like a judiciously coded software, maintain a stable framework for economic activity, upholding justice, maintaining infrastructure, and providing public goods. But too much intervention can distort natural market mechanisms. Number 9. Self-interest and social good. As it was centuries ago, the pursuit of self-interest still serves society's needs. For example, the Uber driver doesn't drive out of benevolence but self-interest, and yet, he gets you to your destination and honors the social contract. Number 10. Moral sentiments. Despite all the digital innovations, the fundamental principles of empathy, fairness, and trust remain vital for a well-functioning economy. They build the bridges of social capital that underpin all economic transactions. And there you have it, my friend. A pinch of the old, a dash of the new, and you have my macroeconomic principles adapted for your fascinating world. Would you care for a digital tea, now?